PCI Pharma Services is an integrated full-service provider and trusted partner to leading companies in the global healthcare industry.
Hi, I'm Justin Schroeder, Senior Executive Director of Global Marketing and Design here at PCI Pharma Services. PCI Pharma Services is a full-service CMO to the pharmaceutical industry. We provide life-saving medicines to countries throughout the world. Here in the Rockford location, we actually employ over 1,800 people, with 7 sites based here in Rockford providing pharmaceutical and healthcare packaging services.
The demands of serialization create significant challenges in a pharmaceutical packaging environment. Working together, PCI and Domino are able to provide labeling and packaging solutions with a high degree of confidence.
For PCI to be a partner to our pharmaceutical clients, we really have to be in a position to offer them industry-leading technologies. Companies like Domino do a fantastic job for us in allowing us to grow and scale.
Partnering with Domino has equipped PCI with the ability to utilize innovative technologies, such as laser ablation, to meet specific customer labeling requirements.
Laser ablation is a technology using a CO2 laser. In our case, we're standardized now on the Domino to burn through a layer of ink, so it gives us a white on black print, very controlled, very low maintenance, and very repeatable, which is key for vision systems doing inspections on the codes.
The aggregation of serialization creates another level of complexity, and it's crucial to understand how each aggregation component interact.
Today we're going to talk about aggregation and aggregating the bottles to a case. Now, the problem with that is we have a side code on the side of the bottle that is not visible within the case. Without this code being visible inside the case, we need to put a helper code on with a CIJ printer from Domino. What this system will then do is then take the helper code and marry it to the side code so that while we're in the case, you can read all the helper codes and know for sure all the bottles inside that case.
So part of the value that we bring in the outsourcing world and why our customers trust us is we do the extra diligence on their behalf so that what we're providing back to them is safe and effective and trusted.
PCI and Domino, working with an independent testing laboratory, have created a white paper addressing the leachability concerns of some pharmaceutical customers, ensuring that printed codes on the outside of bottles don't compromise the product inside.
So as white paper, we started out working with Domino, putting the different inks on the bottles. We went through rapid testing initially because we know the ink dries immediately. And if you're going to leach, you're going to leach fairly quickly.
As serialization deadlines approach, PCI's innovation and commitment to processes with partners like Domino will help ensure the integrity and quality of every product for their clients.
In the serialization journey, we've got vendor partners that bring a lot of expertise to us, and we really collaborate. It's a great relationship, and our customers certainly benefit from that.